Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk to you about slurred legato. I realize that for many musicians that sounds like I'm being redundant, right? Slurred legato, because why? Well, slurs are legato, right? Are they not? Well, not exactly to a string player. So yes, we have very lyrical legato, very legato slurs. We do have that, yes. And but we add to the definition of a slur by simply saying that part of it for us means that we're having multiple notes in the same bow direction. And since we can do that, we can articulate those notes. And so there's a video on slurred staccato, but this one's on slurred legato. We have another name for it. It is Loure, L-O-U-R-E, accented U, Loure. And Loure is French, and I told you before on some of these videos that a lot of our bowing terms are French. This one is French. So what you will see is the curvy line for the slur, and then you'll see legato markings. I know it seems weird, but you'll see legato markings on top of the quarter notes. And normally, especially with Loure, there's implied in there that it's a pattern. And you'll, excuse me, you'll see this a lot in like classical music. Where it's got this kind of pulse sound. And so how am I doing that? Well, I'm adding a little bit of weight. Really not collé. Collé is I'm really listening for that little stickiness in my bow. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just adding a little bit of weight to get that pa 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 pa, that little pulse. It's like waves lapping up on the shore, except they're really fast waves. Right? Loure. All right, let's do a D major scale. Let's do fours. Let's do fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And let's come down. Slurred legato. That was really more like Loure. I really define them with Loure being a pattern, and slurred legato might be you're having a passage. Right, just a little passage where you'll just have a double down or a double up and have it be slurred legato. Maybe I'm being too technical with that, I don't know. That's how I have that wrapped in my head. Okay, hope you enjoy this. Again, subscribe, it will help me, and I will see you at the next video.